In this short tutorial, I wanted to spend a couple minutes talking about the difference between the EOMONTH and the EDATE functions in Excel. So they are both date functions in Excel that have the same arguments, the start date and a number of months. But the difference between the two is that the EOMONTH function will get you to the end of the month, and the EDATE function will just return a number of months in the future. So what I mean by that is, if I have it today, for example, and here I'm going to do EOMONTH and EDATE with 1 month. We do EOMONTH with 1 month, and multi-gen S, you get it to be a date. As you can see, it returns me the end of June. But if we do EDATE with 1 month, it will return me June 21st. So as you can see, the EDATE function is exactly 1 month in the future, and the EOMONTH function is the end of the month. That is 1 month in the future. And this is great because the EDATE function allows you to do a specific number of months into the future. So if you want to say, hey, exactly 3 months from today, then the EDATE function is great for it. But the EOMONTH function is useful if you're trying to make charts and stuff that you want to have like a first of the month for every single month. So you can do like EOMONTH of this day plus 1 to get to the 1st of June, because the EOMONTH is 0 gets you to the end of the current month, and then plus 1 gets you to the first day of the next month, and then drag it on forward to get that to be the months that you want to make a graph out of. And so I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, click the subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.